Want to see the difference between the north building and the south building? Now, as we walk in, this is the coffee bar area here in the south building of AMLI Branch Park. So you have plenty of seating area here. You even have a seating kind of living room area right over there. But the thing that makes this interesting is that it can also act as a mini little co-working space. So sitting area if you want to meet for coffee or work, do some work. Here you have the coffee and tea section, which this is all available to residents. Starbucks machine there. I always like it when apartments put books out for you to read. Water fountains and bathrooms there, because if you're here in a co-working space and you're working and you're in the zone, you gotta take a bathroom break, you don't have to go all the way back to your apartment. So they got you covered there. And as we turn, we see little meeting rooms. And here, someone's in there, so we won't bother them. Another meeting room in here. And then, as we exit the coffee bar, as we see, lobby coffee. I love that we are still inside to get to other places within the property. You don't have to go outside. We're taken right into the hallway with residences. Let me make sure that was closed. And you're still inside the hallway. So if it's raining outside, if it's really hot outside, you don't have to worry about any of that affecting you. As we walk down this hall, let's just say you got that cup of coffee and you want to keep the peace going. I love when apartments have art displays up. It just enhances the environment. We're taken to courtyard. Great seating area. You, a group of friends, can just get on here and chillax, talk, sip on that coffee, tea, whatever you're into. Maybe you want to put on some chill lo-fi YouTube channel right there. I mean, because this is a courtyard, like serenity is kind of the theme, so I don't think you really want to put like a game on or something in a courtyard. Maybe at the pool. I don't know. Maybe you're like, hey, forget this courtyard. It's perfect. Everybody needs to know what the score is, and you put a game on anyway. Whatever. Still, you have that option here. And as we walk out, you see plenty of seating, right? A theme of lounging, relaxing, right? Community, catching up, nice group fire pit session there. Maybe it's not in the morning, maybe it's late in the afternoon, the evening, you want to put a little something on the grill, and you just want to eat, munch, sip with friends. Plenty of seating here. Or maybe you want to grab one of these chairs here. You have plenty of counter space. Just to kind of sit, chow, while chatting with the chef. All those CH words in there. Then you have greenery surrounding you on both sides. Which, you're like, well, duh, Marcus, we see that. But I like to point out that it's intentional so that you do have some type of natural environment amongst the neighborhood. Okay? That's the courtyard here on the south side of the building, or excuse me, the south building. Environment enhanced. Okay. And as we continue down this hallway here, environment enhanced. We slowly come up upon the pool. Now, what I do love about this area is that even though things are a little more cozy in the south building, you don't lose any of the elements that you would get in the north building or the main building. Here's what I mean. Nice laid out pool, plenty of seating here on this side, in the water on this side, but you are surrounded by greenery. And even along the edges here, flower bed there. And that really makes a difference, at least to me, because it reminds you that we cohabitate with nature. We don't have to tear everything down. We don't have to tear all the green down. You can still be amongst what nature intended. And I think that's just kind of cool. Now, we do see you have two grills there, so if you do want to put on a little something and just kind of enjoy being outside, want to have a seat at that table there, you also have a shaded seating area. Again, you don't lose anything, none of the elements of what you would experience in the north building. So, want to put on the game here, just want to have a seat because maybe a friend of yours is throwing down behind the counter there, or, in my case, ordered catering. You just want to have a seat here on this couch, relaxing, chatting, enjoying whatever you have on TV. Or maybe you're the person that you like to keep it moving. You have a quick sink there if you need to prep anything. You have more seating here so that you can come have a seat and be like, hey, y'all doing all right? All right, cool. Cool, yeah. We'll jump in the water in a minute. I'm going to go ahead and finish this barbecue. And then you can jump out here, lounge in one of these chairs in the water while you're getting sun, but also keeping your bottom cool and your feet from burning. Or if you just want to have a seat next to a friend because you want to be around nature's beauty, you got that too. All in one place. Okay, so we saw the coffee house, excuse me, the coffee lounge area. We saw the courtyard. We saw the pool here in the south building. Let's take a look at a unit. Environment enhanced. Let's go ahead. And this is the mail room in the south building. And I love the fact that they have that mural. That's actually really cool, right? Now this may be too close, but let's see. Yeah, seating area in the mail room, in case you want to go through some of that junk mail before throwing it away. Pretty cool, right? Now you understand why I love what I do. I love when apartments are like really creative like this. Then you have your mailroom area here, package lockers, and then obviously mail, regular mailboxes. Okay. Now let's go see that unit. Now as we walk in, this is their A4B floor plan, 863 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath unit. Now as we come in, we see that we have kind of like a gray shelf space, or like gray cabinets, which in my opinion accents the dark blue cabinets at the bottom very, very well. And we can see that consistent throughout the apartment. Here on your island, over there, your cabinets as well. But the other reason why I like it is because they at least put the thought into making the gray here match the stainless steel color of your appliances. So it doesn't look out of place. I do love that you have a very large square island here with modern-like fixtures. You know how I am about that. Get that view for you. And then you have this wide open concept space here. Living room area. Maybe you want to have a small dining room area there because, I mean, with the island that size, you probably just eat there, right? I don't know. Up to you. Here we're going to have your in-unit washer and dryer. Full size there. You need to hang up anything to dry. You got it. Laundry detergent, storage for laundry items, what have you. You got that here. But tell me, as we look down, do you notice anything? That's right. Wood throughout, no carpet, but you are going to have tile in the bathroom because it's a wet area, right? But check this bathroom out. And when I mean check it out, I mean the size of this bathroom. Close the door here. Now, this unit does come with the tub. But I like, you know how I like the little things. They did frame your little area to put your bath soap or body wash, shampoo, conditioner, whichever. They have the legit Rain on Me shower head. But the space that you have in this bathroom. I'm standing in the corner here. Not small. And as we see, we have the continued dark blue. And this is actually a dark blue frame for the mirror. It is not black, so it still matches. Modern light fixtures. But here's the thing, you ready for this? Your closet. not shabby. Okay, so you are getting more of a rectangle feel here versus a square. All right, so you're gonna have a little bit more room. So let's, we gotta do it. So if I put my back foot there, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of my feet fits in this closet. And you saw earlier, you have your shoe rack or hat shelves, whatever you want to use that for. Good amount of size. Good amount size closet in this particular unit. Let's go ahead, got it here. And last but not least, you have a balcony. And where this unit is located, you have the courtyard view, which we saw earlier, but not a bad sized balcony as well. I mean, even a little bit longer than the closet. So do you want to put out some outdoor furniture here? Awesome. Do you want to make this a small camping site? I mean, you can. You can go glamping on that balcony, and if you need to shower, just go inside and go in your room. Digital E thermostat. And you want to know what? Slam resistant. Slam resistant. And guess what? Your drawers too. Well, not if you pull it out too hard like that. But slam resistant when you close it. So one last look. All right, so that wraps it up. We saw the south building of AMLI Branch Park. We covered the coffee lounge. You get a lounge for coffee, it's legit. We covered the courtyard. We covered the swimming pool on this side of the property, as well as we saw a 1-bedroom, 1-bath in case you wanted to see an extra floor plan. Legit. And so if you haven't seen the first video, we'll put the link in it below. Check that out and then tell me your thoughts on it, right? What would you prefer, the north or the south? Because some people like quieter, other people want a little bit more. But what do you want? I'm curious about that. If there's something that I did not cover in this video, please leave me a comment below. Let me know, see if I can get it in a future video for you. And if you're looking for help with your apartment tour journey, give my team and I a shout. We'd love to help you. So until next time, stay awesome, stay amazing.